Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own sound cylinders. These are the things you're going to need. Start by taking your toilet roll tube and taking your square of wax paper, putting it over the top of the tube. Then you're going to take your elastic band and secure the wax paper onto the tube. Take a piece of duct tape and secure the edges of the wax paper. We don't want any of the contents to be falling out. Take your teaspoon and you're going to put 2 teaspoons of popcorn into the paper tube. Then secure the opposite side like you did before. In a different tube, you will fill it with rice and with sugar in another tube. The sound cylinders in Montessori are found in the sensorial part of the classroom. These sound cylinders focus on the auditory sense of the child. So now let's see how we can actually present and use these sound cylinders. Using 3-finger grip, lift the cylinders and shake it 3 times by your right ear. Then place them in a line going from left to right, loudest to the softest. For older children, make 3 or more pairs of matching sounds. Shake each cylinder from left to right, offering your child a turn. Say to your child, "Now let's try to find a match." Isolate the lower left cylinder by moving it slightly down and to the left. Shake it and put it down. Pick up lower right cylinder, shake it and put it down. Then shake the first one again. If it isn't a match, place it back into the original spot. If it is a match, shake the mate, shake the control, then bring the control to the right side of the mate. Shake the control, shake the mate again. Then tell your child, these two are the same, they match. See if they gain the concepts of the presentation. Match them all. And there you have it, how to make your very own sound cylinders at home. I hope you enjoyed making them and I hope you enjoyed using them. Stay safe, guys. Bye.